it's Sonia Miller and welcome back to my daily vlog, Living the Creative Life. You're catching up with me in my favorite four corners of the world, my happy place, the four walls that make up my studio. I love getting creative with you guys, and you guys know that I love to paint and a passion and for profit. I'm happy you are here. I'm taking a moment to enjoy some butter coffee here in my studio, and I get to open some happy mail. What? Butter coffee is not like butter beer. I think you're confused with Harry Potter World. So I'm excited because I got happy mail. And you guys tell me that you love it when I do these unboxings. So I've saved it. I saved so we can enjoy the joy together. I got my monthly scrapbooking kit in from the scrapbookingstore.com. And I'm happy. I have no idea what theme it is this month. So I'm excited to see what's inside. And you guys know that I've teamed up with the scrapbookingstore.com, and I do have an affiliate code to share with you guys. It's JunkMonkey10. So if you decide you want to get in on some of the Happy Mail fun each month, you can use that code and save 10% off your order. And it is awesome because if you're like me and you love to paint, and if you love to paint shabby and distressed, but the most important thing is adding the whimsical part onto it, pretty papers, embellishments can make projects, whether you're working in your journal, whether you're working on signs, whether you're working on furniture, because you can incorporate it all, right? Just to make some really interesting custom looks for your piece. So I've just like dumped everything out there, just making sure I got it all. And let's go ahead and see what's inside. I am so excited. Okay, so every time that you get one of these kits, you always get a little insert and it says what's inside this month's scrapbook kit. So, ooh, let's see. It's a very, it says it's a very unique collection called Ingredient. Ooh, man. Okay. It says this collection actually won top honors at the I don't even know what that word is. Creativation? Creativation? Is that a word? It is now, apparently. Creativation Conference in January. What's cool is that you can pick your kit and you can add on to get extra embellishments, which is always a lot of fun. Shout out to Jennifer, who is at the helm of this awesome scrapbooking company, and she's another small business owner based right here in the US, so I love supporting other small businesses. All right, I'm just gonna go right into this because, oh my goodness gracious. Oh, this is so cool. It totally makes me want to journal. All right, I'm gonna bring you guys in for a closer look. Pinch of this and a dash of that. We've got all these little card stocks. Oh, this is so pretty on the back right here. This is absolutely beautiful. Oh my goodness, look at all of these guys. These are so fun. You can make tags out of these. Ooh, look at that. Recipe. This is what I was thinking of, you know, like, so for example, if you have recipes and you want to, you know, make them special, make a special recipe book for yourself. That's one of the things that I did, gave to my mother. I want to say it was 2 years ago. I found this really cute, already put together book, but it was done in this sort of manner, just really cutesy and just really vintagey kind of feel, just really pretty. And I gave it to her and I'm like, Mom, I want you to work on like putting all the recipes in, because they were all on pieces of paper everywhere. And I just think it's amazing, and I know she's been working on that, so when I see her again, I can't wait to see her book. But it is fun if you're journaling or if you're creating a recipe book, and if you're creative like that, just to put one together and, you know, use recipe cards and all these little embellishments. That looks like aprons on there. Polka dots, gotta have some polka dots. Oh look, this is actually forks. Can you guys see that? It's forks and knives. That's crazy. Oh, this is pretty. I love the black and white paper. Oh my goodness gracious. I am going to give you guys a tutorial this week. Like, when I look at this, automatically I thought to myself, I know exactly what I could do with this that involves paint. I'm gonna do a tutorial this week, and I'll share with you guys how I would use something like this. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. I want to do it like right now. That's me, right? Get excited about painting. This is going to be perfect for what I have in mind. This is going to be a great tutorial for you guys. All right, let's see what this is. Lots awesome vintage colors. This is like stacked little pots and pans and things like that. This reminds me of the Pioneer Woman, like all the colors that she has. Oh, I love it. Little daisies, plaid checkered traditional picnic table covering. Oh, that's pretty. Oh my gosh, guys. Matt, I got scrapbook paper that has cows and pigs on it. Listen, Listen, this right here, this is everything. Like, this is just, this right here. I could have got this piece of paper in the mail and been like, this is it. This right here just makes it all worth it. Oh my goodness. Look, and there's chickens. They may be roosters, don't hold me to it, but I'm pretty sure they're chickens. Maybe they're not, I don't know. I don't wanna pigeonhole myself into something, but you know me, I can't tell the difference. Scrambled eggs on the back, no way. Blenders and milk jugs and just all kinds of spatulas. Oh, these are stickers. Yes, stickers. Oh, so awesome, so awesome. And then these are the embellishments that I got this month. Let's see, it says feeling good, hilarious, good stuff. That was fun. So these are just extra things that you can put on embellishments. I'm gonna do some journaling, so that's gonna be beautiful. Let's see. I think I can. It's Instax Mini stickers. Oh, these are like little emblems. I love it. Love it. And then these are some really cute little stick-on pendants and things like that, like little stick-on embellishments that you can put in the corners of your photos or the edges or something like that. And then this is called chipboard buttons. Oh my gosh, they're cardboard buttons. Again, this makes it all worth it right here. The cardboard buttons, I love them. Who else is a button fanatic? Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. All right, so tomorrow on the vlog, I am going to get out my journal and I'm gonna show you immediately when I see this, how I would incorporate it. Whether it's on furniture, it can be a great furniture tutorial as well, but I'll do it in my actual journal, my mixed media journal. And I'll show you guys like how, because I like to create the backgrounds first in it, and then I can go let them dry, and then from there I go ahead and I put like the photos and the things like that on it. So tomorrow I'm going to show you how I incorporate just vintage papers and do a really cool background that, like I said, it can apply to anything like furniture or whatever you want to do. Oh my goodness. Okay, so that's going to be tomorrow. Thank you, scrapbookingstore.com, for sending me just the most beautiful papers every single month. Just beautiful, beautiful quality. So I know that Jennifer scouts, the owner of the company, I know she scouts for the most amazing paper to be able to send every single month in her kits. I will be back again tomorrow. I love doing these daily video check-ins with you guys, hopefully giving you a dose of inspiration and putting a smile on your face. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so. I would love it. That would be the bee's knees or the cows. What would be the cows? It's the cat's meow, the bee's knees. Matt, I'll be a cow. I'll be the cow's udder. I don't know. You work on that. Tell me, what would that be? That would be the cow's something. We got to come up with something. And I would love it if you would leave me a comment below. I always love hearing from you guys. Let me know that there is a heartbeat on the other side of the screen. See you tomorrow. Bye.